Hello, everyone. Get ready for an incredible compilation of the most unbelievable moments on the road. You'll witness some of the quirkiest driving stunts ever and see what happens when things go terribly wrong behind the wheel. Let's get started. Is the driver of this car trying a new driving technique that only drunk people would come up with? Oh my God! Luckily the driver got out safely. The incident happened on northbound I-65 near Crown Point, Indiana, but luckily everyone was safe. Okay, guys, safe video. And riding on snow-covered roads, reduce your speed and maintain a safe distance to avoid slipping. It's such a scary situation. I hope everyone is okay after the crash. Hey. On the afternoon of Monday, April 1st, 2024, a car accident occurred near the entrance to the Capitol. The police had to close the road and divert traffic on National Road 7. Mostly due to the brakes being halted, you can hear the car horn from a long distance, even before the car turns. black car driver made an illegal maneuver and caused a collision in Abu Dhabi. Always follow the traffic laws and maintain a safe distance to protect yourself and others. Who is at fault in this collision? The driver is truly calm and composed. Even witnessing the collision, he remained unfazed, showing no signs of worry or panic. Although the car was severely damaged, it is truly miraculous that the driver survived with only minor injuries. Oh my god, I'm really relieved that the black car didn't crash despite losing control. can afford. Remember, why did this car roll out of its parking spot on its own? It's so confusing. Do not overload the vehicle as it reduces control and increases the risk of accidents. Traffic safety is everyone's responsibility. On the afternoon of August 20th, a truck driver deliberately overtook recklessly on the Bow Lock Pass and found himself in a sandwich situation. Fortunately, no casualties occurred. California officials said that more than 30 people were injured after a chain reaction crash on the highway on Saturday, March 23rd. Fog was a contributing factor to the accidents. Oh my god, this is the first time I've seen the Mirror Destroyer collide with a car. Maybe the car should have a reflective coating to avoid colliding with a warship. Let me up! The owner of the white car is really lucky not to have been hit by the truck. In a collision at the Formula 4 Championship in Italy, the driver received immediate emergency care from the rescue team. the driver of the pickup truck is fully responsible for running the red light, resulting in damage to the front of the other vehicle. Thank you all for watching the video until the very end. If you found this content helpful, please hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to catch our latest videos as soon as they're released. We promise to bring you more high quality and captivating videos. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.